Let's understand how we can read any CSV file using different modes. To handle the errors, we have different modes available. Okay, first mode is the permissive. What permissive will do, any row which is creating problem will mark that row as the null. Drop malformed means any row which is creating the problem in the data loading, it will delete that row. Fail fast, it will throw the error whenever any row is creating the problem. So these three types of mode are available. Permissive, drop malformed, and fail fast. Permissive means we will set the rows and the columns. So we will set the rows at the null, any row which is creating the problem. It will drop the row which is creating the problem, and fail fast, it will throw the error. Let's understand this with the example. Now we have seen that CSV equal to base path. Then we have defined this path in a new file. Inside that file we have given some data there. Okay, see the data order ID customer. This is the name of the columns. Inside of one order ID Amit is the customer name. Amount is the amounts. Similarly, second is the order ID customer with PR and amount is the 7,000. Now see, third row, bad row without correct columns. And fourth row is the correct three Rahul and 9,000. So this row will create the problem. So this row, what we will do to understand this part, how to define this, watch my previous videos. Dot option mode is the permissive. It will treat that row the null value. See. Okay. For any doubts, you can ask me in doubts in the comment box. To drop the rows, just use the mode at the drop malformed. And if you want to throw the error whenever you encounter these flow, to fail fast. These are the three modes. Now, next topic is when we want to load the multiple files from the same folder. There is one folder, daily sales. Inside this folder, we are creating some dummy files, sales day 1 and sales day 2. 1 and 2. These are two CSV files available. See, sales day 1 and sales day 2 inside this folder, daily sales. So what we will do, daily sales data, then sales day 1.csv, write test, okay, then sales day 2.csv, write test. We have put some dummy data here. Then to read this file, what we will do is spark.read option header equal to true, info schema equal to true. These are the familiar parameters. It means header, first row will be fitted as header. It will identify the schema by its own. In the third part, it will read all the files inside this folder which have the extension at the .csv. Okay, thank you.